Good morning. Today, let's quickly unpack this Danfoss Living Eco 2 Smart Home Electronic Radiator Thermostat. We have purchased one of these smart radiator valves for test purposes. If you're interested in more of our experience about the electronic thermostat, click on the I button in top right. There is also a summary of everything. But now back to the unboxing the Danfoss Eco 2. As you can see on the packaging, it promises saving between 16 and 46%, which is of course possible in some scenarios. But don't expect that this will necessarily be your case. The package also comes with all necessary accessories, but sadly not the batteries. So far, we have been using an electronic radiator thermostat without wireless connection. So now we have bought a Danfoss thermostat with Bluetooth for test purpose. As you can see, there's also an app for both Android and Apple iOS users. Let's see what we get there for about 60 euros. A template, so you can measure what adapter you need to use. Of course, there is also a manual and the size of giant carpet with all the necessary information, as well as Danfoss thermostat itself. Looks very nice in a minimalist way. It also includes necessary adapters and lock. Of course, again, sadly that there are no batteries in the set. We will certainly survive, but that's what this Danfoss Eco 2 set is. All that's left to do is install it, download the app and start using it. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in our electronic thermostat experience, click on the I in top right. Bye.